Hi, we're Alec and Cindy from Sharing the Journey, and we've come over to Bernie Spelt Born, Texas, and we are at Blue Compass RV, and we have gone and looked at a few different RVs. We'll show them to you because we're trying to decide if we want to make the transition from a motorhome to a fifth wheel. Let's go look at some units. So this is an Alliance Paradigm, and it is a 310 RL. So Cindy, will you open this cabinet right here? Let's get the outside first. You've got full pass-through. A lot of space, your awnings, your slides. Got some lights in it. You got your pro.
This is for the tanks.
Yep. Got storage at Renogy Renogy charge controller there. You got room for storage. I guess you could put extra batteries. You got your cutoffs there, and it looks like it is got place for a generator and some more storage down here. Let's go inside and take a look. So it's got on the driver's side, you've got what appears to be a bedroom slide and a living room kitchen slide on this side. And this has got a living room slide. So this camper is rated for full-time RVing. It's got the nice steps that go up.
Bar as soon as you come in.
So it's got a coffee bar. Well, no, that would not be. Yes, it's got plugs.
Yeah.
So you got a coffee bar as you come in.
To charge your phones here.
Charging station with USB. Got some cabinetry. You got all your on the side of that cabinetry. You got all your switches.
Drawers. And then just a little bit of storage
there. You got your electrical panel. So you come in, when you look at the living room area, you've got a nice kitchen with a bar on it, residential style appliances. So right here we've got a huge picture window with a dinette. What we've seen in other Alliance products is that the other two chairs are fold-up chairs and they're stored underneath the bed. The countertops here in the kitchen are solid surface, which is nice. You've got theater seating with a fold-down cup holder. I'm not sure I'm a fan of that. The feet rest on it, and then you've got another sofa on this side, and hidden in the little tables on the end is storage. Is that on both sides? It's got a USB ports on both sides. Yep. And sconces. Nice cabinetry up top. I'd be scared the glass doors though may come open. Got night and day shades on the windows. Then above the TV, and Cindy's pointed this out earlier, that it goes all the way across, so there's no dividing walls. That's what I don't like about our camper, is you can't put weird shaped objects in it. You've got an Insignia TV, smart TV, a Bluetooth stereo. The fireplace rolls out, and there's storage. It's almost like you've done that before.
Listen.
And there's storage behind it.
I'm being Vanna White.
Being Vanna White.
We learned from the pros.
Got a little bit of storage. That's where Cindy keeps our toaster and stuff in our camper. Got nice cabinetry. And what I like is you switch from the dark cabinetry in the living room to the lighter cabinetry. It kind of defines the space.
And then Insignia gas top.
And residential size oven, which is very nice.
Wow, you could put a turkey in there.
Oh, and look at all the space over here.
3 drawers. The bottom one's a little wider.
Oh, when we get up into the bathroom area, it says it's got soft closed lids on the toilets.
Nice. Size cabinets. Oh, big full cabinet underneath the sink.
Oh yeah.
You could put a real trash can there.
This one's got dual air conditioning.
The Norcold fridge. Let's see if I can figure this out.
It's the Polar Elite. It looks like it's designed specifically for RVs. It's got a DC compressor, energy efficient, high capacity. And then show us the huge freezer. This lifts out.
Kind of look down at the side. Show down at the side because it does.
Oh, and you got
have
a big
that
basket.
tray under. You want to come over there?
It's got a nice sized pantry, and it looks like it's got access to water lines or something.
Which is good.
It's got a nice
and they're
panel.
adjustable.
And they're adjustable. And then this has got, just like all these RVs, the cabinetry, open those cabinet doors.
I thought we did.
They're so high up top, you definitely have to have a place to put a step stool.
But I really think this is neat how they've got the vinyl at the slide end
Instead of carpet. And that's what they consider a no carpet zone, pet friendly, cleans easy. And you walk up the stairs and you have a residential type shower. No cover on the skylight. I like having a cover like I've got now.
good place for
Got some.
towels or toilets.
Well, it's not deep enough. Oh, yes, it is. I see it goes way back. The color change was threw me off. And show me this soft closed toilet lid.
Okay, look at that.
Cindy wanted me to show you the
Medicine cabinet.
It's got a lot of room down there. It's 3 drawers. And then
Alright, let's see. Look at that.
soft close. That way, I wish it was auto closed so I wouldn't get in trouble in the mornings. It looks like from this bar up here, it's got a
Sliding door.
sliding door. Huge beds, king size bed. It's got USB ports on either side, electrical plugs there and on the wall. Large closet. No washer and dryer connections that I've seen. Oh, yes, it is. You pull this shelf out right here, and there's your, it's so dark. There's your washer and dryer over there.
But I like this metal hanging rack in the closet.
Yes, and it's screwed into the top of it into real wood. Show the hidden
I
jewelry.
just can't get over storage for your shoes and stuff. Well, here's the, it's got 6 drawers. You've got a little hidden compartment here, which would be a great place to put jewelry.
Another TV. It looks like it's got 3 air conditioners. I think I saw 2. More storage there for shoes.
Or anything really, blankets.
This says that it's air conditioner there, and I thought I saw...
There's one up front.
Well, I thought I saw 2 up front. Yeah, there's 2 air conditioners in the ceiling back here. Back to the bedroom. You got nice storage underneath the bed. I would get rid of those chairs.
Well, depending on how many people you're traveling with. And then they've got the little tiny cubbies on either side of the bed.
You could put some long, slender things in there.
You know, you use every inch of space you can find.
So overall, it's a nice camper, and it's got locks on the door. So when you're traveling, or if you're not quite level.
Oh, they pull together.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. Okay. So when you're traveling, you'd have it like this. I'm not very good at lining things up. This would be Alex's job.
Well, it's probably not level, and so it's not going to line up. And then the bedroom has its own mock air condition control there. So this is another good example for a full-time fifth wheel.
Nice.
It's a lot of room. Let's check price. So it's normally $116,100. Dry weight's $12,243. Here at Blue Compass RV, they're marked down to $104,995.
All right, wait a minute.